My name is Sanvi, and today we are discussing on how to hire a best software developer efficiently without doing any hard hustles. Let's be honest, hiring a software developer can feel overwhelming. You scroll through resumes, browse portfolios, maybe even sit through a few calls. And still, you're not sure who can actually build what you need. Sound familiar? Whether you're a startup founder, product manager, or someone leading a tech initiative, getting this hire right can make or break your product. Let's make sure you get it right. In the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through a simple, proven process to hire a software developer who's not just skilled, but the right fit for your business. We'll talk about 1. Defining your needs clearly. 2. Spotting red and green flags. 3. How to actually test developers without wasting time. And 4. Choosing the hiring model that works for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Get super clear on what you need. Before you even post that job, ask yourself, what exactly do I want built? Is it a mobile app, a custom CRM, a cloud-based SaaS platform? Be clear about your business goals. The tech stack, if you know it, timeline, and any must-have integrations. Here's a stat for you. Over 70% of software projects fail, just because the initial requirements weren't clear. Don't be part of that number. Start with clarity. Step 2. Don't hire just for the resume. A list of programming languages and buzzwords isn't enough. You need someone who thinks with you, not just codes for you. Look for developers who 1. Ask smart questions, 2. Care about user experience, 3. And aren't afraid to push back respectfully. At Tuvoc, we've hired and worked with developers across 120 plus projects, and we've learned the best ones are problem solvers first, coders second. Step 3. Test real-world thinking. Forget fancy whiteboard tests. Instead, give them a real-world challenge from your project, even a small one. Watch how they approach it. Do they ask the right clarifying questions? Do they break the problem down logically? Do they care about performance, security, or UX? These little insights tell you way more than any portfolio. Step 4. Pick the hiring model that works for you. Should you go with a freelancer, build an in-house team, or hire a dedicated software team? Here's the truth. Freelancers work for short gigs fast, but not always reliable. In-house teams give control but come with overhead and time delays. Dedicated teams, like ours, offer the best of both speed, scale, and long-term partnership. It all comes down to your goals. At Tuvoc, we partner with businesses across the globe to build custom software that actually works. From discovery and planning to design development, testing, and post-launch support. We handle it all with a process that's built for speed and quality. So whether you're building your first MVP or scaling an enterprise platform, our team knows how to get you from idea to execution, ready to stop guessing. And hire a developer who truly gets your vision? We'd love to help. Click the link in the description or visit tuvoc.com and let's talk about what you're building.